Hello guys, so I am on. I'm a YouTuber, so I'm gonna record. Okay.
You do what you want to do, honey.
So I'm fixing to hold. What's his name?
This is Baby. She's a rescue.
Oh my gosh.
She's been here 8 years with me. Baby, say hi to her.
Hi.
Say hi.
That's so cool.
This letter. Good. Do it again. There are kisses.
Oh my god.
She's not gonna bother you, honey. Under no circumstances. Hey, lady. All right, now put your other hand up like this, flat. Right about here.
Okay. So this is pretty cool. Oh, I love that blue one.
That's Captain. He's 39 years old. He's been with me 12 years.
Oh, you loud.
Stop it, you two. Don't get him too close. These two argue.
Okay. This is so freaking cool. You got pictures? You taking pictures? Okay. This is cool. How long have you had them?
I've been doing this business since 06. But I've had birds for 40 years.
So you train them and all?
We have 20 birds in the house. We have a rescue. So your donation does go towards the rescue. Okay? Baby is one of our rescues. If you notice her toes, one of them's cut off. And the other one's kind of mangled a little bit, okay?
Okay. That's cool.
Stay there, one more picture. Put one more, I got it. Good.
This one is. Woo.
That looks nice.
I know you didn't just touch my hair.
There you go.
Oh, that's cool.
Sambo, he don't want to think he's up on top of
That
the
is
bun.
so cool.
If you didn't have that bun up there,
You have nasty motherfucker.
he's in his mouth.
Wow.
He loves him, especially his.
Right. Thank you.
All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. God bless.
Video. Today's post notification shout out is going to go out to this individual. Thank you so much for clicking the post notification, clicking the subscribe button, clicking the post notification, and being one of the first few to comment once I do a video.